left me in my stately home, blazing on a sunny afternoon. And I can sail my yacht, he's taken everything I've got. All I've got's this sunny afternoon. Oh yeah. Save me, save me, save me from this squeeze.
the one that launched Bagatelle all those years ago. Gave us our first #1. And to all the Irish people, north, south, east and west, who are out in America, and when this song goes on, it transports them home for a few minutes. This is called, of course, Summer in Dublin. Thank you.
Thank you. Take me away from the city, lead me to where I can be on my own. I wanted to see you, and now that I have, I just want to be left alone. I'll always remember your kind words, I still remember your name. But I've seen you changing and turning, I know the things just won't be the same. Remember that summer in Dublin, and Olivia's it stank like hell, and the young people walking on Grafton Street, everyone looking so well. I was singing a song I heard somewhere called Rock and Roll Never Forgets, when my humming was smothered by a 40-60 and the scream of a low flying jet. So I jumped on a bus to Dunleavy, stopping out to pick up my guitar. And a drunk on the bus told me how to get rich. I was glad we weren't going too far. So I'm leaving on Wednesday morning and trying to find a place where I can hear the wind and the birds and the sea on the rocks. And my rope and road's always I need. And sometimes I'm tired of the quiet, and I want to walk back up that hill. I'll just get on the road and I'll stick out my thumb, 'cause I know for sure you'll be there still. I remember that summer in Dublin, and Olivia's it stank like hell, and the young people walking on Grafton Street, everyone looking so well. Singing a song I heard somewhere called Rock and Roll Never Forget, when my humming was smothered by 40-60, the scream of a low flying jet. So I jumped on a bus to Dunleavy, stopping off and pick up my guitar, and I jumped on the bus, told me how to get rich. I was everywhere, going too far. Whoa. And I remember that summer in Dublin. I can still see that sunshine in Dublin. you so much. I'd like to dedicate that song to the late, great John Woods, who gave us our very first record deal. Thank you.